Hello, and welcome to the presentation of our DAB Bluetooth radio. Let's start with the unpacking. The box includes an external microphone with its 3 meters extension cable, a user manual, an extraction key, a DAB antenna, and the radio. To start the radio, press and hold the volume button. When the screen lights up, enter the code 1234 by turning the volume knob and press on cell. The radio is now unlocked. To choose your listening source, press the SRC button. In tuner mode, you can scroll through the stations with the arrow buttons. To store a station in memory, press and hold the number you want to affiliate with the station. As you can see, the memory number is written next to the name of the station to inform you that it has been registered. To switch to aux mode, press the SRC button again. An aux input is located on the front panel of the unit. Press the SRC button again to switch to DAB mode. Press and hold the band scan button to automatically search for DAB stations. The scan is over. You can now listen to the DAB stations. As with the tuner mode, press the arrow button to scroll through the stations and hold down on a number to affiliate a station to it. To switch to Bluetooth mode, activate it first on your phone, select the radio, and enter the code 1234. Your phone and the radio are now connected, as indicated on the top left-hand corner of the screen. By pressing the SRC button several times, you will access the Bluetooth audio menu. You can now play music from your phone, adjust the volume, and play songs directly from your radio. Still in the Bluetooth audio menu, press the pickup button to access the call options. You can dial a number, see the made calls, the dialed numbers, and the missed calls. Press the button again to exit. With the DSP button, press once to display the time. Keep the button pressed for 2 seconds to access the different radio settings, such as microphone selection, automatic answer, key backlighting, password settings, password, the time display settings, or the activation of the button noise. Finally, our radio has an integrated microphone on the front and another microphone delivered with a 3 meters extension cable.